have to have a funeral, of course. It's important that everything look right. There won't be many people anyway. She didn't have a very wide circle, did she? Poor girl. Well, the other one, she wasn't local. They're looking for some family. Not our concern. We'll need to consider Tommy. I told him Mommy went away for a few days to paint. Well, that buys us a little time. I think, tell me I'm wrong, we'll say she went to live with her friends in Paris. And she wants her little boy to stay here, where she knows he'll be safe with his daddy, who works so hard, and his Mima, who loves him so very much. And you know what? A month from now, and I don't mean to sound cold, he won't even remember who she...
I'll remember. I'll remember. I'll remember. I'll remember. I'll remember.
Finish it, goddamn you. Finish it!